This is an Excel Binary Workbook. It's actually better than standard Excel files. It loads faster and supports macros. Excel opens it natively. No special tricks needed. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open it. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the XLSB format and dozens of others obsolete. The XLSB file extension represents an Excel Binary Workbook fixes file, a spreadsheet format used by Microsoft Excel. It stores data in a binary format, offering advantages like smaller file sizes and faster saving ARS loading times compared to the older XLS format. It's primarily used for storing large amounts of data and complex calculations within a spreadsheet. XLSB files adhere to the binary file format specification. They are structured to optimize storage and retrieval of spreadsheet data, including cell values, formulas, formatting, and metadata. The binary format allows for efficient compression and indexing, contributing to improved performance when working with large datasets. It is less human-readable than XML-based formats. Microsoft Excel, developed by Microsoft Corporation, is often used as the source validator for XLSB. The basic data is there, but Windows cannot process the specific formatting tags required. Windows cannot interpret complex spreadsheet elements, so full functionality relies on Office software. We're performing an initial software compatibility check. Right-click your XLSB file and choose Open With. Test Microsoft Excel first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often yields a quick solution. When your XLSB file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Let's get the technical grounding straight. Before we jump to the universal solution, let's look at the specific reasons this XLSB file is failing to load. First, use Microsoft Excel. Open the file using Microsoft Excel 2007 or newer. Next, use Open and Repair. If the file is corrupt, go to File, Open, select the file, click the drop-down arrow next to Open, and choose Open and Repair. Finally, check for corruption. Try opening the file in LibreOffice Calc to salvage data if Excel fails. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.